Hi, I'm Emerson.
And I'm Sarah.
And we look forward to coming to your beautiful country. We can hardly wait to see you.
And we've heard from so many that this is the event that women and men want to attend.
Odprl mi je oči, odprl mi je srce, da razumem, zakaj je moja žena toliko drugačna od mene.
Pri nas je lepo doma. Včasih je bilo grozno, zdaj je pa krasen.
We're going to share insights that have helped thousands of couples around the world.
It's our 5th anniversary. I want to take you out to dinner. Where do you want to go? I don't know. You decide. You want me to decide? Hey, I was reading in that Midwest magazine, and they talked about these fillets. They're like 15 feet thick. And they were so juicy, you don't even need a knife. And do you know where they're serving those? Do you know that truck stop out on 69? I don't want to go there. Here's what she's thinking. If he loves me as much as I love him, he'll figure out where it is I want to eat without me having to tell him.
We look forward to meeting you. See you soon.